Are you ready to unlock a world of sales potential? AliExpress, a global retail giant, offers an incredible platform for reaching millions of eager customers. Imagine your products showcased on a stage where buyers from every corner of the globe come seeking unique and exciting finds. That's the power of AliExpress. Selling on AliExpress isn't just about listing products. It's about crafting an enticing narrative around your brand. It's about understanding your target audience and speaking directly to their wants and needs. But don't worry, navigating this dynamic marketplace doesn't have to be daunting. In this essay, we'll unpack proven strategies to amplify your AliExpress store's visibility, drive traffic, and ultimately skyrocket your sales. Get ready to transform your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving online business. Let's dive in. AliExpress isn't just big, it's enormous. With over 2.3 billion annual visits and a staggering 600 million active customers, this platform is a force to be reckoned with. These numbers represent a vast ocean of potential buyers, all eager to discover unique products at competitive prices. Think about it, 600 million active customers translate to 600 million opportunities to make a sale. By tapping into this pre-existing engaged audience, you're positioning yourself for success from day one. But how do you stand out in such a crowded marketplace? How do you ensure your products catch the eye of potential buyers? The answer lies in strategic promotion. In the bustling marketplace of AliExpress, visibility is key. Imagine your product listings as valuable treasures hidden within a vast online library. How do customers find your gems? Enter SEO, your silent salesperson. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art of making your listings easily discoverable by AliExpress's search engine. Think of it as strategically placing signposts that guide customers directly to your products. Start by identifying relevant keywords that potential buyers might use when searching for products like yours. Incorporate these keywords naturally within your product titles, descriptions, and even image tags. Remember, effective SEO is an ongoing process of optimization and refinement. By consistently monitoring your listing's performance and making necessary adjustments, you'll ensure your products remain visible and accessible to your target audience. Section 4. Social media, your digital storefront. In today's digitally connected world, social media platforms have become indispensable tools for businesses of all sizes. For AliExpress sellers, social media offers a unique opportunity to extend your reach beyond the platform and connect with potential customers on a more personal level. Think of your social media profiles as digital extensions of your AliExpress storefront. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action, highlights their unique features, and tells the story behind your brand. Don't underestimate the power of visual storytelling. High-quality images and videos can capture attention, spark interest, and ultimately drive traffic to your AliExpress listings. Section 5. Picture-perfect products, a visual feast. In the world of online shopping, first impressions are everything. Your product images are the virtual window displays of your AliExpress store, enticing potential customers to step inside and explore further. High-quality, visually appealing images can make or break a sale. Invest in professional-looking product photos that showcase your items in the best possible light. Use natural lighting, neutral backgrounds, and multiple angles to provide a comprehensive view of your products. Don't be afraid to get creative. Lifestyle images that depict your products in use can help potential customers envision themselves enjoying the benefits of your offerings. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in the fast-paced world of online retail. Make those pixels count.